Certainly beautiful out there, but we got trouble brewing along with the unusual warmth, the near record, if not record warmth that we'll see especially later this week. We're going to have to deal with this. Shouldn't be any surprise with as wet as it has been, but unfortunately, yeah, more rain moving in. This has steadily been tracking in from western counties. Max Track Live, you can put it into motion and see those showers as they're rolling into western counties. So it's not particularly heavy, and there are big breaks in the action, but it is rain and it is on the move. And these showers will become more numerous as we get into the mid to late afternoon. And then as a cold front goes through overnight and into tomorrow morning, we'll see additional coverage. Winter is locked up over the Pacific Northwest and the upper Midwest. These are all winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories. Blizzard warning out in the mountains out towards California. And here we are with low pressure to the northwest, high pressure to the southeast. And we're caught in that flow coming between the two, which means we've got a whole lot of warmth surging in, but we've also got that moisture as well. And the LAX 18 Storm Tracker Future Track starts to develop those showers in earnest by mid to late afternoon, and then we'll likely see them on and off pretty much overnight and into tomorrow morning before our cold front finally clears the Commonwealth. Now, it's not really going to be much of a cold front as far as tanking temperatures. That happens later this week, and in fact, we will get a resurging shot of warmth following this into Thursday and Wednesday and Thursday. We will have near record, if not record warmth. But look at this, and Wednesday as well. Moisture on the rise, and with that wave, we're going to get soggy. Anywhere from a quarter to maybe a half an inch of rain or lower amounts south and east over the next 24 to 36 hours. But once this next wave kicks in, we could be talking about measuring it in inches. This is where we start to run into potential for flooding along the Ohio River, southern Indiana. Could see some pockets of 3 to 4 inches through the end of the week and the early part of the weekend. At least it's warm, right? 61 degrees. We've got a strong southerly wind sustained at 18 miles per hour, but where the clouds are thicker and the showers are developing, it's cooling back down a little bit, and that'll be the case. That'll kind of help put the brakes on the temperature rise today, even with this, that strong southerly wind I was just talking about. So highs, you know, a little bit of an up and then down, and then a big time up, upper 60s to low 70s, and then we crash going into the weekend. That's that cold front coming in. So this will have a couple of issues with it. Number one, the heavy rain chance, but also maybe some strong storms as you get into that Wednesday, Thursday time frame. These are all record highs for Wednesday and Thursday. That's right around the ballpark of what we're forecasting. So don't be surprised to see some record highs tied or maybe even set this week. You know, it could be a couple of days worth. We're in the mid 60s today. I think our record's around 70, so we're not going to quite get to that in these showers developing. There'll be numerous overnight. Cold front tracks through. Probably catch a little bit of a break tomorrow afternoon behind that front, so we'll lower the chance for showers out there, but we've got a daily chance. And it starts to ramp back up. Wednesday into Thursday, heavier rain, some thunderstorms, maybe some strong storms. I think especially across western Kentucky, there may be a severe component to it that we'll have to keep an eye out for. And then obviously the temperatures going the other direction heading into the weekend.
Oh, fingers crossed that maybe it'll do a correction and change. All right.